Good morning, girls. How are you? Today's topic, perimeter. Perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the object, or perimeter, in other words, perimeter is the boundary of a shape. For example, you can see this one is a polygon. You know the polygon? You learned before, huh? A line segment made of a line segment is called a polygon. You can see what is the perimeter of this one. This length plus this length plus this length plus this length. Add all the boundary. Then in this one, what is your question here? In this one, Rita use 54.6 meter of fencing to enclose a play area for her dog. That means this is the play area of the dog. And what is the fencing? This side, this side, this side and this side. Then all together it's the perimeter. Then you can see 12.4, 5.1, 18.2 plus x, because this side is not known, is equal to the perimeter. What is the perimeter? It is given. All together fence is 54.6. This is your perimeter. Then how to find this length x? In this one, these three sides is painted. That means this side and this side, and the x side is not painted. In this one, how many meter of fence does Rita have left to paint? That means find this x side. How to find? You can add all. What is the value? You can add all three. One is 35.7 plus x is equal to the perimeter. Then how to find x? This is your equation. How to solve? Alone x by subtracting 35.7 both this side, and you can find x is equal to 18.9. That means what is in this one? Rita have left to paint. What side is left? X. And what is this? Fencing is 18.9 meter of fences left to paint. This one is clear? In this one, find the perimeter using the formula. For example, if rhombus and square, what is the rhombus? All for the rhombus is four-sided figure, and square also four-sided figure, and all sides are equal. That means perimeter is equal to 4s, because you can add s plus s plus s plus it will be 4s. That means for the rectangle, you know, in the rectangle, two opposite, for example here, two opposite sides are equal, and these two are equal. This is called the length, and these are width. Then 2L and 2W is equal to 2L plus W. And this is your regular, if the regular polygon, what is the meaning of the regular polygon? That all sides are congruent. N is your side. If all sides are equal, it is called congruent sides, or sides are equal. In this case, you are using P is equal to NS. N is the number of sides. It is general. For example, if triangle is there, how many sides? 3. If quadrilateral, 4. You can see square and rhombus are quadrilateral with a equal side. That's why it is 4s. If pentagon is there, for example here, how many sides are there in pentagon? 5. That's why using 5s. And what is the regular pentagon. Regular means all sides are equal. Then 4.1 here, 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. Or what is the general? 5 multiplied by its size. What is the side? 4.1. Multiply. What is the answer? 20.5. And in this one, it is this one is your rectangle. In this one, what is the formula? P is equal to 2L plus W. What is the L? 1 by 6 yard. And the width is 5 by 6. Then you can add these two number and multiplied by 2. We got a 4 yard. This is the perimeter. To find the perimeter of more complex figure, that means these are simple figure. If all sides are equal, you multiply it by side and you can find the perimeter easily. But if like this, if different type of shape is there, for example, you can see here this and this all are equal and all are 4 centimeter, because in this one it is written here 4, that means this is 4, this is 4 and this one 4, and this one is your 10 centimeter, and you can see this is 7 because this is all from here to here, it will be 10. Then you can see this one 3 is left. Then what is left here? 7, 3, 3 and 3. Then you can start from this side. Okay, what is the value here? For example, you can start here. How many? 10 centimeter. This is the boundary. 4 centimeter inches are there. 4 inches here, 4 inches, then 7 inches, then 3 and 3. Then how to find? You can see 10 inches. How many times? 4, 3 times in this one. How many times? 7, only 1 times. You can see. How many times? 3 is 3 times. You can see 1, 2 and 3. Then you can find 10, 12, 7 and 9. What is the answer? Is 68 inches altogether. That means the boundary of this shape is 38 inches. Now start the book question. In this one, first we solve the question number 1, 2, 6, 7 and 8 in this slide. Okay, then you can see how to solve in this one. Question number 1, you can see two opposite sides are equal and these two opposite sides are equal. That means 2L and 2W, like a rectangle. Then you, or a parallelogram also. 2L and 2W. What is the L? 7.5. And what is the W here? 5.1. Then you can see in this one 2 into 7.5 plus 2 into 5.1. 15. What is the answer? Is 25.2 meter. In this case, these type of figure, all sides are equal, are called a regular polygon. And for the regular polygon, what is the formula? NS. N is the number of side. In this case, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's why you are using 6. And is 6. What is the side? Length is 4.6 centimeters. 6 is multiplied by 4.6. What is the answer? 27.6 centimeter. In this case, you can see again a regular this one for question number 6 now. The question number 6 is regular heptagon. 7s. 7s, because hepta means 7, heptagon. Regular means all sides are equal. The 7 multiplied by 45. What is the value? 315 inch. Then in the question number 7 and 8, you can see these type of figure are called the irregular figure. In the irregular figure, always remember you can add all the side like that. It is not a particular formula for this one, only just add all the side. In this figure, two dimensions are given. One indicate with the single line and one with the double line. This you can see the single is 3 inches and double is 5. Then you can see here, you start from here. For example, 3 inches, then 3 inches, then 5 inches, then 5 inches, then 5 inches, then 3, then 3, then 5. You can see in this one 3, 3, 5, 5 and 5, 3, 3 and 5, like this. In the same way here in the question number 8, how many the side? 12, 8, 6 and this one is your 4 and this one is your 6 and this one is your 4. This is why it is 6, because all together is 12 and 6 here. Then what is remaining? 6. And in this one you can see this is all together is 8 and this one is 4. What is the remaining one? 4. That's why this one is 4 and this one is 6. Then you can see in this one you write 12, 8, 6, 4, 6 and 4. Then you can see what is the answer. You can add all together, it is 32 inches, and in this one all together what is the answer? 40 meters. Question number 10, 11 and 12. Find the length of each unknown side. In this one you learned before how to find, with the help of equation. P is equal to 8, 7.8 and x. You can see in this equation. Then add 8 plus 7.8, it is 15.8. And what is P? Perimeter is 22.8. Then how to find? The solving equation. Subtract both the side, 15.8, and what is your answer? 7 feet. This question number 12 is same as this one. In this one you can question number 12 you can see 3.2, Z 5.3, 4.8 and this same way. 26.6 is the perimeter, and then solve the equation you got. And question number 13, find the perimeter of a triangle with the side of measuring 25 millimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 1.9 centimeter. In this one, important thing is to 25 millimeter convert into the centimeter by shifting a decimal to the left. It will be 2.5. You can see here 2.5, 2.8, 1.9. Answer is 7.2. I think you understand the lesson.